Oh, kana siya good news na nato. I think sa GAA for the DOTR sa airport development, murag number 3 man ang Negros Oriental, no? Sa in terms of the amount. So meaning to say for 2026 and onwards, we are going to expect kanang sitawag na bigger funding kay ang among gihangyo sa Secretary of DOTR, gawa naman si Vince Dizon, gihangyo mi sa Undersecretary sa kato si Art Balderas nga kung pwede mag-groundbreaking na ta karong hopefully karong June, bisag dungano na lang nato ang groundbreaking sa hyperbaric chamber. So Bakong Airport groundbreaking, hyperbaric chamber groundbreaking, Dawin hyperbaric chamber opening, invite na to si Presidente para duha ka event ba. So for this year. So among gi-propose is kung pwede karong middle of June. So,
Not ko sa airport, tanan na ba na viral or ready na?
I think I'm not sure if tanan na pero murag hapit na. What I heard is paspas man ang bayad na ron unlike before, no? Faster na. Kay daghan namang naka-avail itong estate tax amnesty. So faster karon compared to before nga there was no amnesty yet sa estate tax. I would think mga 80% na. So hopefully by June mga 200, that's 280 hectares ang gi-acquire nga right of way or land for the airport. So our hope, our request really is fully acquired na, fully paid na ang tanang landowners not later than June 2026 so that maka-groundbreaking na ka, no? Kay dugay na kaining Bakong Airport, daghang kayong istorya nga dili madayon. So we need to have an official groundbreaking to assure the public nga madayon na gyud.
So, sir, shall it be called NIR, International Airport?
No, we cannot call it NIR because na may Silay International Airport. So I'm not sure if it's going to be called Bakong because officially right now it's New Dumaguete International Airport.
Mayor Chiquitin proposes for Negros Oriental International Airport.
That's for the DOTR. That's for the DOTR to decide, no? Kay sila man mo na ay authority or power to in naming airports. So just like ang Sibulan, it was called Dumaguete Airport. It was not called Sibulan Airport. So that could happen also to Bakong. That could.
The president to
We're trying to convince the OTR to invite President BBM sa groundbreaking. And at the same time, sa Dawin Hyperbaric Chamber. Dungano na lang ba?
Secretary Frasco will be coming April or May.
Yeah, so for me, dungano na lang. It's better dungano na lang. Total, silingan naman ng Bakong o Dawin. So, usaw na lang na ito ka-event para it will be a big bang, no? Both for Bakong and Dawin. So that's our request. I hope DOTR and DOT will agree to our suggestion.